11th standard biozoology, connective tissue. So the connective tissues are developed from mesoderm. So the gastrulation, so they consist of a three layer, a germ layer. One is called ectoderm, mesoderm and endoderm. So the connective tissues are developed from a mesoderm. There are three main classes of connective tissue. There are three main classes of connective tissue. One is called a loose connective tissue. So they have a loose connective tissue. Then second type is a dense connective tissue. Dense connective tissue. Then specialized connective tissue. So based upon the structure, so the connective tissues are classified into three types. So what is called the loose connective tissue, dense connective tissue, and the specialized connective tissue. Specialized, so the connective tissue. So what is the major functions of the connective tissue? What is the major functions of the connective tissue? It is used for binding. One is called the binding. Second one is called support. Second one is called a support. Third, they become the protection. So the fourth, insulation. Fourth, they have insulation. Fifth, transportation. Binding, supporting, protection, insulation, and transportation. These are the main functions of the connective tissue. Main functions of the connective tissue. Then the connective tissues consist of three important parts. So the connective tissues consist of three important parts. So one is fiber. One is fibers. So second one is called ground substances. Ground substances. So the fourth one, so they have in cells. So the connective tissues consist of three parts: fibers, ground substances, and the cells. So first one is called fibers. First they have the fibers. So fibers is a connective tissue. The fiber is a connective tissue to support, to provide the support. So three types of fibers are present in the connective tissue matrix. They have three types of fibers are present in the matrix. One is called collagen fiber. One is called collagen fiber. Second one is called elastic fiber. Third one is called reticulate. So the collagen fiber, elastic fiber, and they have a reticulate fiber. So the connectives are three types. So the connectives are three types. One is called dense connective, loose connective tissue. So the loose connective tissue, also they have in a different type. One is called areola. So they have in a areola. Then adipose, areola, and they have any adipose. Another one is called reticulate. Areola, adiposis, and reticulate. So they are having a dense. So the connective tissue, dense connective tissue is a consist of a dense regular and dense irregular. Dense regular and dense irregular. So they have a dense connective tissue. Then a specialized connective tissue. A specialized. So the specialized connective tissue is a consist of cartilage, then bone. Third one is the ligament. So there are three types of connective tissue. One is called loose connective tissue. It consists of areola, adiposis, reticulate. Dense connective tissue, dense regular, dense irregular. A specialized connective tissue, cartilaginous tissue, bone and ligament. These are the connective tissue. So they have the loose connective tissue. The tissue cells and the fibers are loosely arranged. Cells and fibers are loosely arranged in a semi-fluid ground substances. So they have so the cells and the fibers are loosely arranged in semi-fluid substances. For example, areola. For example, so the areolar connective tissue, so they occur beneath the skin or below the skin. Below the skin, act as a support framework of epithelium. It is a support, a framework of epithelium, and act as a reservoir of water. Reservoir of water. And the salt for surrounding body tissue. Reservoir of water and salt for the neighboring tissue. So they have a salt for the surrounding body tissue. Hence, applies a called in a tissue fluid. So it is called a tissue fluid. Is a contain so fibroblast and the macrophage, fibroblast and the macrophage, and they are having a mast cells. So the tissue fluid is consist of fibroblast, macrophage and mast cells. So they are present in the areola cell. Areola cell. So next one is called an adipose tissue. They have an adipose. It is similar to areolar tissue. The structure and the functions is also they located beneath the skin. So the adipose cells contain adipose cyst. Adipocyst is commonly called a adipose. So the commonly called a adipose or otherwise called a fat cell. So otherwise called a fat cell. Adipose or otherwise called a fat cells. So the prominent or they have a predominant so amount of 90% of the tissue mass. 90% of tissue mass. So the cells of the tissues are stored fat and excessive nutrient. The cells of the adipose tissues, they used for the storage of the food and they are having a excess of nutrients which is not utilized immediately. They are converted to fats and also used in the adipose tissue. They store in the adipose tissue. So the adipose tissues are highly vascularized. Highly vascularized means they contain the blood vessels. There are two types of adipose tissue. One is called white adipose tissue. Another one is called brown adipose tissue. What is the meaning of white adipose tissue? So the mitochondria are very less. It is called white adipose tissue. Then mitochondria are larger number. So it is called a brown adipose tissue. So the white adipose tissue, so they provide the nutrients and they produce a heat and the blood stream. But brown, so they act as a shivering. So during the thermogenesis, these are the loose connective tissue. Thank you very much, students.